Move the steam wand over the drip tray. Before frothing milk, turn the knob to the steam position. Wait about 12 seconds for the steam to preheat. Then turn it off once ready. Fill the jug halfway at a maximum. Submerge the steam wand 0.5 centimeters below the milk surface. Hold the jug at a 15 to 45 degree angle. Turn the knob to steam mode and begin frothing the milk. When the milk expands to reach below the groove, foaming is complete. Turn the knob to off when the jug feels hot to the touch. Wipe it with a damp cloth. Move the steam wand over the drip tray. Then briefly release steam to clear any milk residue. You can pour the milk into the coffee. Make a cup of coffee as you wish.